Alright guys, so if you want to seriously grow your Pinterest account rapidly, then you must need to watch this video. Because in this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually take the help of Pinterest boards to grow your Pinterest account rapidly. Because it's not enough for you to just keep posting regularly pins on your Pinterest account and you grow your account rapidly. As posting pin regularly can bring traffic to your account, but if you post your pin regularly on your profile and on your board and on someone else's board, then you can just get massive traffic from some other people who are actually following some other boards of your niche. So that can be a super helpful point for you. And if you use this board strategy I'm going to explain you in this video, you can just see a massive growth in your Pinterest account within just 1 month. So all the information step by step you will get in this video. So keep on watching this video till the end because I'm going to be explaining you each and everything about boards, like what it is, how you can create your board, how you can find the ideas of creating board for your niche, and how you can actually spy on your competitors' board so you can see what kind of content they are posting so you can follow the theme strategy and grow your account rapidly from 0 following to millions of impressions per month. So if you want to learn more about how to grow your Pinterest account for free, so you can just check out my Pinterest playlist on my YouTube channel in which I have explained you almost each and every topic about Pinterest growth for free. So you can just check out all of those videos in this playlist so you can learn how you can actually grow your Pinterest account by posting pins regularly, by doing the proper keyword research for your pins and joining the boards. So if you follow all of these videos, you can just actually grow your Pinterest account rapidly. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I'm on Pinterest website right now, and in order to understand what boards are, we must need to search something. So for that, you just go to search bar and type anything like yoga exercise. So here you can see that I have just searched a simple keyword yoga exercise on Pinterest search engine. So after searching, Pinterest is basically showing me some pins related to the keyword which I have searched, which is yoga exercise. So as you can see here, when I go down, I can just see many of the pins here. But on the top right corner, you can see that there is a drop down menu says all pin. So if I click on this drop down menu, so here you can see that I can now basically search my keyword regarding the videos, boards and pins. For example, if here I select your pin, so I will be able to see only pins. But for example, if I select boards here, so that means Pinterest is going to show me the boards regarding this keyword, which is yoga exercise. So for example, whatever your niche is, you can just search any popular keyword for your niche on the Pinterest search engine and then you can just search it by boards. So after doing this, you will be able to see many of the boards regarding this topic. So here you can see Pinterest is showing me some board regarding yoga exercise. Here you can see that this is a big board called exercise yoga, and this board is basically having more than 2000 pins. And just like if we see other boards, you can see that here are 125 pins in this board, 85 pins, 672 pins, 99 pins and so on. So from here, you need to find out some big boards and some small boards having more pins and having less pins. So for example, let's open this board, which is a very big board, and let's open any small board, which is this one, yoga exercise. Alright, so after opening these boards, you can see that this board name is exercise yoga. So basically what I do is I search a keyword and search by board and open 2 boards for that keyword. So here you can see that this board name is exercise yoga and the person who created this board is Penny Reynolds, and there are more than 2000 pins present on this board. You can see that all of these pins are from this board. So just like that, if we see second board which we just opened, here you can see that the board name is yoga/exercise and 51 followers are there in this board, and here are 200 pins in this board. So now the question is how we can use these boards to find the topic of our board and how we will know that what kind of posts we need to post in these kind of boards to grow our Pinterest account. So let's go back to the first board and just open any random pin from this board like this one. So you can see that this is the pin which I have just found from that board, and here you can see that this pin title is Power Yoga Sculpt with Ashley Galvin. You can see that this is the Pinterest account from which sports has been pinned, and on the top you can see the website link from which they are basically driving traffic to their website. So let's open their website and see what they're actually having on their website. So here you can see that they are basically selling fitness training on their website and they're basically getting customer from Pinterest. So now by doing this type of competitive research, you will be having many ideas like how you can utilize your Pinterest page to earn money and to monetize your Pinterest page. So now go back to that pin again. Page name is Alomo. So let's click on that page. So here you can see that this page is having 45,000 followers and more than 2.6 million monthly views. And the cool thing about this is that this page is having only one pin. So that means this page is basically driving traffic from Pinterest boards, not from pins. You can see that they are having only one pin because when you go on any page, you can see their profile picture, their name, their website, their description, their follower, their monthly visitor, follow button, and two buttons, created and saved. So if you click on created button, you will be able to see all of those pins which that particular page is having. So right now in this case, this page is having only one pin. And if we click on saved, so we will be able to see all of those boards which basically this page has created or joined, and they are basically posting their pins on those boards. So what they're actually doing is they are creating their own boards and they are joining some other people group boards. So they can contribute their pins into some other people boards, and some other board owners of the same niche can contribute their pins into their boards. So by using the board strategy, they are actually getting more than 2.6 million monthly visitors on their Pinterest account, and by doing that, they are basically driving traffic to their website in which they are actually selling the fitness training. So by just looking at this example, you will be amazed like how this person is driving massive traffic from Pinterest to their website without posting any pins. That's why I always say that you must need to create Pinterest board, you must need to join some other people board and start posting your pins on your profile and boards as well. Because if you post pins regularly on your Pinterest account and do proper SEO, then people can visit your profile only when your pin get ranked on page number 1 of Pinterest. So only your follower and all of those people who are basically searching for your pin can visit your profile. But on the same time, in parallel, if you post all of those pins into your boards and into someone else's board, and you can see that here are 845 followers for this board, the yoga fitness niche, and you join some boards in the same niche, so that means all of those people or all of those audience who are present in those boards are actually your type of audience which want to see your type of content. So if you will be active in all of those boards, so you can just get traffic from that as well. So if you combine the traffic for both pins and boards, so you can just grow your Pinterest account rapidly, and the example is in front of you. You can see that this is the page Hello Moves, and without posting any pins, they're actually having 2.6 million monthly views. So just like that, I can just go back on that page and I can find many of the other boards here, and I can just open many profile here and show you many of the example of those pages who are actually having less following but having millions of visitors per month. And all of those boards are having people who are sharing content on these boards, and they're actually exchanging their traffic. You can see that this board is having only 329 pins, and I'm sure if I open this board, I can find many of the accounts which are posting pins on this board. And if I one by one open all of those accounts, I can see massive traffic on all of those accounts. So all you have to do is search for any keyword on Pinterest regarding your niche, and one by one start exploring all of those boards and start finding some pages which you think are posting content same as like you. So list down all of those pages, maybe 5 or 10, and start creating pins like those pages, and then start creating some boards and start posting all of those pins into your boards and into someone else's board. So if you do this practice for 1 month, then I'm sure your Pinterest account will start growing rapidly within 1 month. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you find my content really informative and helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this in future. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.